Hello, all of you. Welcome to Square Technologies. Today, we will be learning how to convert a range of values into the list of values, for which I have a small set of data over here, where I have in the first column, I have a percentage that is 85 to 100. There will be distinction, and then grade I have given here, and then 60 to 84 higher first class. For them, I have given A grade, and 50 to 59 second class for the B grade. 30 to 49 third class C grade, 0 to 35, 34 fail and D grade. So this set of data, we are going to bring it into Power BI. So let me copy this set of data here, or you can import the file also. Either way you can do it. Okay, first the thing is we need to convert this data into table format. For that, first in the home tab, you have a format option. You click on this table and convert. See, this range of data got selected over here, A1 to C6, where I have a dollar sign to make it absolute referencing, and my table has headers because my table is having headers. So you should convert this data into tabular format so that you can bring it into Power BI, so that any changes happens within that range of data, it will get reflected in the Power BI. So you can see table design here. I'm going to, and the table name is table one, but we can make it into percentage. Okay, it is up to you that whatever name you want, you can just give it to that particular table. So this particular table, we can bring it into Power BI. Either you can copy this data and paste it over, or you can import the data. Okay, just go to Power BI, and in the home tab, you will be having the get data. Okay, get data, Excel workbook, and from here, browse the file for which you want to import. I have selected that particular file, and I am importing that data or a file into this Power BI. Okay, so it is showing over here, this sheet one. Just select the sheet one. You can see that this range of data got selected over here. Okay, and then just instead of loading, just go to transform data. Okay, transform data will open the Power Query editor for you. So you can see that now we are in the Power Query editor. From Power BI desktop, we had shifted to Power Query editor just by clicking on this transform data in that navigator pane. Okay, so now we are in the Power Query editor. And in this Power Query editor, whatever data I have imported, that data you are able to see here now. And this, I want this range of data, whatever 85 to 100, that range, I want to expand that range, just like 85 to 86, 87, like that. I want to expand that range of data. Okay. So for that, what you can do is first we will split this data. Okay. Split the column using this delimiter. Whatever delimiter is nothing but a sign which is separating this first digit and second digit. Okay, so here you have a transform data, or you have the split column over here. My column is selected here. Just before that, what we are going to do is this percentage, class, and grade, which are in the row, first row, no? That particular first row, we will push it into the headers. So how to push this first row into the headers is here in the home tab, you have this use first row as headers, no? Just use this option, use first row as headers. So we had pushed that first row into the headers, percentage, class, and grade. Now we have our data here. For I want to split this particular range of data, or this particular first column. Okay, so let me go to the split column. I'm separating or splitting this column using the delimiter. Okay, so go to delimiter. We have hyphen as a delimiter here. So you can see custom and hyphen. If you don't want custom, if you have any other symbol, we have other symbols also. But I'm going for the custom, and I have entered hyphen over here. And let me split it. So you can see in the first column, I have 85. In the second column, I have this the second number of that particular thing here. Okay. Now, the next thing, I'm going for the add column, and here custom column. I'm going for the custom column. Okay. And here, if you want, you can just give the range of percentage or something, whatever you want. Percentage range, we will name this one. Or this percentage range or percentage list, whatever you want, you can give. And here, first of all, we have the equal symbol. In between that, after that, I'm going to add this curly brackets or flower brackets, whatever we say that one. And inside that one, first I'm going to insert the first column, percentage. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to put two dots. And then I'm going to insert the second one, percentage 2. Okay. Which we had split in those two columns. You can see no syntax errors have been detected. Okay. Click OK now. You can see the list got presented here. You can expand that list here. Okay, just expand that, expand to new rows. You can see that 85, 86, whatever that list is there, no? 85 to 100. Okay, 84 to 100. That list got updated there. You don't want this two columns now. Okay, so I am going to delete these two columns. Okay, remove columns. So those two columns got removed, and this percentage range, I'm going to bring it into this beginning. Okay. And if you want, you can, it is 85 to 100. You can see distinction. And then 60 to 61, 70, what it is, 84, higher first class, like that, it got expanded. Okay. So what we had done, that a range was there. No? We have expanded that range and we had converted into list. Okay. So hope you have got this one. Thank you.